In campaign news, the campus murders in Oregon have become a front and center topic on the 2016 trail. Here's senior political correspondent Mike Emanuel.
On the day after the community college shooting in Oregon, Republican presidential candidates faced questions about the Second Amendment.
Look, stuff happens. There's always a crisis, and the impulse is always to do something, and it's not necessarily the right thing to do.
You're going to have these things happen, and it's a horrible thing to behold.
With Trump leading the Republican field nationally and in the early voting states of Iowa and New Hampshire, he continues hiring staff and was asked if elected, would he hire fellow candidate Dr. Ben Carson.
I would, yes, I would, absolutely. Really? I would put him, I would love to have that. Absolutely.
A new Pew poll has Trump leading with 25% support, followed by Carson with 16%, with Senator Marco Rubio and former CEO Carly Fiorina tied for third at 8%, followed by Senator Ted Cruz at 6% and former Governor Jeb Bush at 4%. Carson on the stump in Des Moines played to his expertise, sharing his ideas on fixing the health care system, including health savings accounts for lower-income people.
We have to think how we use that money effectively to let them begin to take care of themselves. A lot of people in Washington, of course, say absolutely not.
In New Hampshire, Ohio Governor John Kasich seemed to enjoy reports Jeb Bush's super PAC is digging through Kasich's files at his hometown library.
Come on, Jeb, you got better things to do than investigate me. But then again, maybe you don't.
President Obama was asked about Bush's "stuff happens" comment and said he didn't think he even had to react to that one. The president said the American people should hear that and make their judgments based on there being a mass shooting every couple of months. Bret?
Mike, thank you. On to the